Cinemaya 2025!
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat and welcome to the Cinemaya ceremony.
Cinemaya 2025.
I think the power of the story is very touching. These stories tells the human life, the difficulties of our nanays, of our tatays, our families, the challenges.
This feels like deja vu.
안녕하세요, Cinemaya.
Cinemaya 2025!
Everybody move and clap your hands, cause I am back again. Left, right, to the left.
As a first-timer, yung kaba at yung tuwa.
Cinemaya isn't just about a competition. It is a culture na kung saan is mas nag-i-improve para mas ma-uplift ang ating community.
I'm back.
Almost na-meet namin yung all walks of life ng tao sa pelikula at lahat ng mga tao sa industry na din.
I'm back.
I would just like to encourage everyone to carry forward the spirit of Cinemaya and to continue to celebrate stories that inspires, unite, and empower.
Whether we win or not, whether finalists or we're just an entry film, to me that is not important. But being recognized and being shown to the world what Card MRI and the different MFIs entered in this short film, that is what is important. Because your stories are being now told and relayed all over the world.
Cinemaya 2025!
Cinemaya 2025!
Stories of change such as these are important trends and support the vision of eradicating poverty in the Philippines. Once again, thank you everyone for joining us today. Welcome again to the 2025 Cinemaya Awarding Ceremony and congratulations to all.
Cinemaya 2025!
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.